the traditional real estate market, required assets to be traded in its entirety. Fortunately, blockchain technology changes this perception by introducing the concept of tokenization. Tokenization refers to the ownership of tangible assets, represented through digital tokens. In the case of real estate, tokenization simplifies the process of liquidating large, expensive assets such as buildings or offices by fragmenting ownership, by using blockchain to divide an asset into smaller units digitally. Tokenization helps improve trade and attract more investors from all around the world. Real estate tokenization also enhances the process of documentation and record keeping, thereby protecting the interests of investors. To launch your real estate tokenization project, contact Blockchain App Factory today.